high volume, high volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. I've seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. I hate the way they paint it. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let on talk, but it bothers me. 'Cause it ain't love, it ain't love, it ain't love they see. But it ain't none to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what? I fell in love a couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall?
Is it a crime? Call it a crime now. 'Cause if I'm with you, then you're my prisoner. So let me throw away this key, 'cause you won't give me up. Let 'em know we don't give a fuck. All they want is to see us breaking up. We could search the 7 seas and never find love. A heart like mine, better yet can forget my mind. Some might say a girl shouldn't lay her cards on the table, but I'm a woman, I'm not a girl. Is that a crime in this cruel world?
And so what? I fell in love a couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? What's it to you? Is it a crime? So what? I fell in love a couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? What's it to you? Is it a crime to fall?
Flying through they blocks and they don't know we have. Bloody ass got shot and we ain't claiming, but I can show his ass. Niggas acting like they really like that, says my Brody dad. Just get out the feds, you bring up murders with your police ass. I told Vaughn to leave that bitch alone, she post on OnlyFans. Catch them at apartments, they be in, 'cause that's our only chance. They don't be outside like you think, they ass be on the ground. All ops, fucking with my new ops. Oh man, that shit Murphy been through that shit like Ghostland. My brother D-Thing just got killed and I've been slow since. But we got back on their ass, I bet they know this. And on bro, I'm speaking facts, this ain't no diss. Keep the police out my business, we don't post shit. Trigger happy, I be with Zoon and we on 4-6. They like Dirk, his ass a singer, he won't smoke shit. You can bleed whatever you want, I got your folks. I don't respond to shit, move on. I'm like, fuck it, you trippin', go get your bond. They dropping locations, I'm getting it done. So tweeting, we sliding, the feds come. Man, fucking these bitches, some niggas on. I'm hanging with killers, we breaking on. They really don't mean it. He say it, it's song. They really don't mean it. He play it, it's song. Talking about me me and piss me off, and I'm like, yes. If you feel some type of way, you better slide and get revenge. She say therapy ain't helping, he been killing for a cleanse. She say she don't really got shit, but she so thirsty for a binge. I just made her suck my dick and I just nutted on her chin. I been feeling like Rico, I just fucked her in my Timbs. For school, he said no pen, he rather carry him a gin. A 10, a fin, her 10, yeah, I'm saying, he spin. You need a pill to slide, he off all the milligrams, he been a fan. I say niggas really killing shit, post shit on Instagram. You doing that, you might as well go to court and say you killed a man. I don't claim niggas who be with ops, I try to will them in. The trenches like a sport, you grab that ball and turn to kill a man. Switches on me, all face shots, we changing dental plans. All fast cars, make it, we don't do rental vans. I can have your homie set you up, is that some respond to shit, move on. I'm like, fuck it, you trippin', go get it, go going. We dropping locations, I'm getting it, going. So tweeting, we sliding, the feds, come. Fuck it, his bitches, some niggas, son. I'm hanging, we killers, we breaking, on. They really don't mean it. He say it's song. They really don't mean it. He play it, song.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. I ain't so high, but still so down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on they turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie and the vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keeps scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but this way I lay up. This shit a motherfucking layup. I been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. Hey, who the fuck niggas is, boy? OVO, man, we really with the shits, boy. Yeah, really with the shits. I should probably sign a hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Yeah. Fuck all that Drake, you gotta chill shit. I be on my little mouse drill shit. Fuck all that rap to pay your bill shit. Yeah, I'm on some rappers pay my bill shit. All up on TV, I thought it made me richer. Wasn't paying me enough, I needed something quicker. So now I'm all in Nico basement, putting working on the phones. Either that or try the money mark to make the pickup. Man, it's 2008, I'm trying to paint the picture. Comeback season in the works and now I'm thinking bigger. I got 40 in the studio, every night, late night. Gotta watch this shit, don't wanna make them sicker. That's my nigga, oh Lord. Got a whole lot to show for it. I mean, we can really get it, we can go for it. I'm just here for the Bucks and the Phillies, nigga. Don't make me kill one of the ghosts for it. I run this shit, they like, go for us. Run for us, run for us, go for us. Yeah, I mean, you already wrote for us. Damn, nigga, what's one more quote for us? Oh, Lord, who else sounded like this? They ain't made me what I am, they just found me like this. I was ready. Fuck that, I've been ready since my dad used to tell me he would come into the house to get me. He ain't show. Valuable lesson, man, I had to grow up. That's why I never ask for help. I do it for you niggas and do it for myself. I go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick. Whole squad on that real shit. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick. Real fucking quick, nigga.
Just got some top from this stripper bitch. She from Kankakee. Just got some top from this stripper bitch. She from Kankakee. Just bought a block with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how it go. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the oak, just got some tops from this stripper bitch. She from Kankakee, just bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how it go. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the oak. We in the car, she don't live that far. Say she left her person named Chirp. You know Bonner player, we can go there first. I bust to you, pulled up to a spot. She live at a park, it's getting dark. My Glock on my lap, I'm just thinking smart, so she hop out. She switching this shit, this bitch thinking shit. She got 2 minutes, if she ain't back out, then she gon' need a lift. She left her phone, so I picked it up. This hoe slow as fuck, name is calls. 3 of them for mom, the other 6 say duck. Now I look up and I see a truck, it's just pulling up, someone hopped out. A big goofy nigga, he tryna look tough. I'm like, what he tryna do? So I clutched my move, but he kept walking. He don't want no smoke, boy, he not bulletproof. Just got some top from the stripper bitch. She from Kankakee, just bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how it goes. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the oak. Just got some top from the stripper bitch. She from Kankakee, just bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how it goes. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the oak. As she walk out, she stopped in the trash. She get the stepping back, then I hit smack. This big goofy nigga, he pulling her tracks. I wanna help, but this ain't my hoe. You know how it go, don't got no cake. I still got her phone, she taking too long. She get loose, she run to my car, so I hit the lost house for her phone. Told shorty I'm gone, bitch you on your own. But here comes Goofy, he hollering this shit, yelling about the bitch, pick up a brick. He immersed it on brick and threw it at my whip. Man, I'm like shit, I hopped out so quick, then I raised my blick and I don't miss. I let off 2 shots, I hit him in this shit. Now bounce it quick, what you finna do? Cause this gon' make the news, gotta make your move. Told that bitch get in cause she looking confused. I broke the rules, cause this bitch a witness. Plus I just popped through, but she ain't crying. Plus this hoe is smiling and this bitch look cute. So we slide out, I'm checking my mirrors. Made it to the house, told her hop out. She say that she hungry, I not back, no doubt. I know you mad, cause I smoked your man. Left him on the curb, she started laughing. She say, fuck that nigga,